In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch themes and reduce eye strain on Deribit. Deribit includes built-in options that let you switch themes, adjust chart colors, and change the interface layout. I'll show you how to make each of these changes. Start by switching the platform to dark mode. Look at the top right corner of the main header menu bar, near your profile name and the system clock. Find the sun or moon icon and click it once. This instantly switches the entire platform between light mode and dark mode. If you want to switch back at any time, simply click the same icon again. Next, change the theme for the TradingView chart. The chart uses its own color settings, so it can remain bright even if the rest of the interface is already using dark mode. To update the chart theme, right-click anywhere inside the main price chart area. When the context menu appears, move your cursor over color theme. Then select dark. This changes the chart background to black or charcoal gray. You can also customize the chart background manually. Click the gear icon located at the top or bottom corner of the chart panel to open the chart settings. From there, go to Canvas. In the Canvas section, change the background to a custom color, such as dark gray. After updating the chart, you can make the rest of the interface more compact. Click the Settings cogwheel in the top right corner of the page. Look for the Compact Mode option or the Grid Padding toggle. Turn this setting on to reduce the padding between interface elements. This brings the order book, positions, and charting panels closer together. If you want to compare the different layouts, you can switch Compact Mode on and off until you find the arrangement you prefer. You can also return to the theme toggle whenever you want to switch between light mode and dark mode, and you can revisit the chart settings at any time to choose a different background color through the Canvas section. By adjusting the platform theme, updating the TradingView chart theme, customizing the chart background if needed, and enabling compact mode, you can personalize the appearance of your Deribit interface using the built-in settings available on the platform. Thank you for watching.